Hello traders. Today, we are about to discuss a crucial topic: what makes most traders feel totally perplexed. There is no doubt you'll put yourself in danger if you fail to ensure some factors before choosing your trading broker. So, get your notebook and pen ready and jot down the major checklist to choose the right broker. Choosing a trustworthy broker is important, and you must need to check these 13 factors for that. Regulation. Regulation is important for both brokers and traders. It enhances the transparency and security of any broker and helps traders easily avoid scams and have a secure trading journey. Compare deposit bonus. Most brokers offer a deposit or welcome bonus for their users. All you need to do is compare the bonus amount with other brokers. However, you may also find some brokers who is offering a very low initial deposit amount instead. No need to be confused, simply go for the one you feel comfortable with. High payout percentage. You must find out a trusted broker that offers the highest payout in terms of others. Only settle if they provide up to 70% to 90% payout rate for your every single successful trade. Minimum initial deposit. Checking out lower minimum initial deposit while choosing a broker can be a life-saving decision. By doing so, you can find out whether the platform experience is satisfactory or not with just a small amount of money, and then invest greater extent afterward when you finalize. Both newbie and pro traders should check it, as it's a great option to save some of your money. Demo account. Demo account is an outstanding feature that every broker should have. It helps traders immensely, including familiarizing the platform, emotion control, skill development, strategy creation, development, and testing, finding the best trading routine, practicing money management, and so on. Multiple assets option. While choosing a broker, don't forget to check out the underlying assets list. The bigger the list will be, the more options you have to diversify your trading portfolio. Ease of use. You should find out how easy the user interface of the trading platform is. Your comfort and satisfaction is the most important fact, isn't it? Trade expiration time. Consider checking the flexibility of timeframes of any brokers before choosing. Some brokers will let you trade on various timeframes, so read the terms and conditions carefully. Trading tournament. You will find many brokers offer different tournaments for traders. You can test your trading skills in those tournaments. And it is also a way to earn huge real money cash prizes from a minimum entry fee. However, traders need to select the best suit depending on their skills and experience. Deposit and withdrawal options. If the broker you choose has multiple deposit and withdrawal methods available, it will be helpful for you to choose your favorite one to complete your deposit and withdrawal procedures. Mobile application. Mobile apps are very helpful to trade from anywhere in the world. So, make sure your broker platform is offering a trading application for your device. Trading tools and robots. Trading tools are necessary to analyze the market, and not every broker provides an auto trading facility directly. However, many of them partnered with different binary options trading software. Auto trading is a great option for both new and expert traders. So, check out all the trading tools, indicators, and automated bots and signals beforehand. Customer care service. Last but not the least, you should find out how good or bad is the customer care service is of a particular broker before selecting. Remember, you will need this service at any time and 24/7 in case you encounter any problem related to your trading platform. Check out the link to learn all 13 influential facts to choose the right broker. Please like, comment, and share this video if you like it. Subscribe to the channel, ring the bell icon, and follow us on social media. Thanks for watching. We'll be back with the next video.